You'll see this? This is what a good enough decision looks like. No, it wasn't bad gas. No, it wasn't a bad oil mix. It was a $4 spark plug. A man thought, the threads match, it fits in the hole, let's crank it up. He cranked it up all right, cranked it up right into the scrap heap. Today, we're going to save your power head. Hey everybody, welcome to T Mike's shop. I'm in here doing what I do best, restoring vintage outboard motors and helping you get that boat out on the water. Before we dive right into the heat, let me give you my 3-word Cajun joke for the day. Gumbo too hot. And that's what we're talking about today. Heat, specifically the 3 things that involve heat and your spark plugs. Number 1. Why, if it fits, it sits. It's a lie that's killing your motor. Number 2, the secret language of the white porcelain. Number 3, how to pick the right heat range not to burn a hole in your piston. The it fits trap. I see it all the time. People bring a motor over to my shop and they tell me, T Mike, it runs great, but it smokes like a smoker in a marathon. I pull the cover off, I look at it, and what do I see? A chainsaw or a lawnmower spark plug. Look, just because the thread pitch is the same and you can screw it into the spark plug hole, it doesn't mean it's the correct plug for your motor. Think of it this way. You can fit a size 12 foot into a size 10 shoe, and it'll run for a little bit, but before long you make a blister and either blow up your foot or blow up the shoe. Well, it's the same thing with your outboard motor. You can't take the wrong plug, even though it'll fit in there, and run. That motor will run, but eventually something's got to give, and most of the time it's your piston. We always talk about the human anatomy in comparison to the outboard motor. So the comparison is that the carb is the brain, the compression is the lung, and the spark plug is the heart. It's providing the pulse to make everything work. So let's talk about the science behind the spark plug. Yes, the number 1 job of the spark plug is to provide the spark, okay, to create the pulse for your engine. But there's also a function of the porcelain. The porcelain here is what controls the heat exchange that's given off by the spark. If you look at the drawing that I'm going to put up right now, it shows you the 2 different spark plugs. All right? The length of the porcelain determines the heat that is dissipated or held in during the sparking. The longer spark plug, porcelain, keeps the heat inside, makes the plug hotter. The shorter porcelain on the short plug lets the heat dissipate faster, and it's a cold plug. So there's 2 different types of plugs. All right, a hot plug and a cold plug. So why does it matter? Well, it matters because if you got a hot plug and you're pulling a skier and you're running wide open, that heat that's staying inside of that cylinder is going to get cherry red hot, and eventually it's going to blow a hole in the piston. On the flip side, the cold plug never gets hot enough to burn off all the carbon. If you're trolling around with a cold plug, it don't create enough heat to burn off the carbon off the plug, and it gets dirty and grimy and fouls, and you have a fouled. So here's the cost breakdown. On the short plug, the $4 plug, it'll foul your plug, your motor won't run good. You will need to just replace the plug if it's the wrong one. On the long plug, the hot plug, it's going to get cherry red hot. It's going to blow a hole in your piston, and you got to rebuild the whole outboard motor power head. So don't guess. Look it up on the chart. If your motor calls for a J6C and you're using a J4C, you're going to have a problem. Follow the chart, follow the recommendations, and make sure you're using the right plug for your power head. If you want to learn more about saving these outboard motors, remember, I'm giving a free motor away just in 4 months. If you're interested in getting a free motor and saving the hobby, just click on the link below and enter the contest. Remember, checking your spark plug is the cheapest insurance you can ever buy. So check that spark plug type and laissez les bon temps rouler. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and don't forget to like. And don't forget, go to my Team Mike's Vintage Outboards website for all the parts, technical consulting, mail and repair, for everything you need.